What if the biggest opportunity in the Faecalibacterium Prausnitzii market lies in the innovation rather than market share? Desires for Health leads the market with a 25% share, followed by Creative Biolabs at 17%. Biogia holds 12%, while Exeliom Biosciences and Pendulum Therapeutics account for 10% and 4% respectively. Together, the top 5 players control approximately 68% of the global market. With growing interest in microbiome-based therapies and gut health, the market is creating significant opportunities across healthcare and nutrition. Future growth will be fueled by continued R&D, product innovation, and clinically validated microbiome solutions. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.